A human finger has been found in an ice cream. A Mumbai man makes this gory discovery. A sweet treat there, truly turning into quite a horror show. The cone that was served to a Mumbai car came with a chopped human finger. And this was delivered to the man's house. Human finger sent for forensic study and investigation now. This is truly shocking. You see a man found a piece of human finger inside an ice cream cone that was ordered online in the Malad area of Mumbai, after which the man reached Malad police station. And the police has now registered a case against the ice cream company and sent the ice cream for investigation as well. Police have sent the human organ found in the ice cream to an FSL team. Truly shocking here to see that human finger there, a chopped finger found in an ice cream, and forensics now investigating the case. Let's quickly cut across to listen in what the man who ordered that ice cream has to say.
मैं ऑलमोस्ट कांप गया था, मुझे ऐसे ट्रॉमेटाइज हो गया कि ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है। तो मैंने जल्दी से उसको आइस में रखा है और उसको प्रिजर्व किया। तो मुझे वो ऐसे पुलिस को दिखा सकता हूँ कि ये कुछ और भी हो सकता है, कि नेग्लिजेंस हो सकता है, कि किसी का मर्डर का हो सकता है, कि पता नहीं है आजकल क्या क्या होता है।
Let me cut across to Dev Kotak joining us live for more on that. Dev, I am truly shocked to see those images there. A human finger chopped and placed inside an ice cream. Was it a mistake? And if it was, then what really went by? Who has cut a finger? Was it a crime that they're trying to hide? I'm truly speechless to see what I'm seeing.
Well, yes, Nabila, to give you an update in terms of what the police action is going to be, at the moment they're trying to determine in terms of where the ice cream came from, where it was being manufactured, and also if it was the part of one of the workers who was a part of the ice cream manufacturing company whose finger got cut off and came under a machine or something. But however, the part that was found inside the ice cream is believed to be about close to 1.5 centimeters and has been sent to the forensic science lab to exactly determine if it was a piece of human flesh or not. But the concerned person, Dr. Brendan Farao, is the complainant, and he was the one who was also responsible for registering an FIR. His sister is believed to have ordered the ice cream via the Zepto app online, and while chewing onto it, something unusual came in his mouth, and once he removed it, he was shocked and surprised to find this. He also spoke to a few friends in terms of what he should do, and they also collectively thought that it seemed like a piece of a human finger, post which he approached the Malad police station, registered an FIR. The concerned person is a doctor, an MBBS doctor, and is a resident of the Malad area, specifically Orlem, and he alleged that in his complaint that while he was eating, he found something very unusual, and once he removed it from his mouth, he was very surprised or rather shocked to find the piece of finger. But however, the police also said, the senior inspector Ravindra Adane of the Malad police station where the FIR has been filed, and the deputy
Dave,
commissioner has also
I want to ask
the
you the brand of this ice cream company. Please, let's name and shame. At this point, we don't know what's the name of the brand of that ice cream company where a chopped human finger was found in the ice cream.
Well, the concerned brand in question is Yummo, the company YUMMO. Of course, like I said, that online there are lots of offers all the time. So considering the fact that this must have been a good offer, the complainant's sister ordered about 2 to 3 cones, and at the time of eating, like I mentioned earlier, this piece came. Of course, while the police are also trying to ascertain and determine in terms of how nobody really noticed at the time of packaging it also, and how such a massive mistake was allowed to slip. Of course, sections of the IPC for adulteration have also been added to the FIR, while they continue to fast track and request the FSL, the forensics lab, also to present a report at the earliest, and really exactly specifically state in terms of what the piece was found is exactly believed to be, and whether it was actually in reality a piece of human flesh or a finger or not. So these are the kind of details that we have at this point in time, but we will definitely have to wait for further investigations by the police and also, like I mentioned, the reports from the forensics lab.
Well, you know, this really changes what ice cream looks like to me now. I'm truly disgusted to see what I see. Let me cut across to the police in Mumbai speaking on the same.
वो क्या कंप्लेन आई है और क्या दिक्कत हुई थी?
कल शाम को हमारे औरले में रहने वाले कंप्लेंट हमारे पास आए शाम को, और उन्होंने बताया कि उन्होंने जेप्टो ऐप से कुछ सामान मंगाया था, और सामान आने के बाद उसमें एक आइसक्रीम भी था। आइसक्रीम खाते वक्त उनको कुछ ऐसा लगा, कुछ आइसक्रीम में कुछ है। देखा तो एक जरा उनको एक फ्लैश जैसा पार्ट लगा, अंदाजे उनका 1 या 1.5 सेंटीमीटर का हो सकता है। उसके बाद उन्होंने उनके दोस्तों को कुछ बताया और उसके बाद पुलिस स्टेशन में आए। पुलिस स्टेशन में आने के बाद उनकी हमने कंप्लेंट दर्ज की है, और वो जो पार्ट है वो हमने सीज किया है, और वो सीज किया हुआ पार्ट आज हम लोग फॉरेंसिक को भेज रहे हैं।
ट्रेल को लेकर के कुछ अब तक आइडेंटिफाई हुआ? पुलिस किस तरीके से उसको ट्रेल फाइंड आउट?
वो तहकीकात अभी जारी है कि हमने वो जो आइसक्रीम है वह कहाँ से आया, कहाँ मैन्युफैक्चर हुआ, उसके पीछे कौन है, इसकी अभी तलाश जारी है।